Hey everyone and welcome back to the Explains. Today we came with this very tricky math question. Try to solve within 10 seconds. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. We have our question 90 divided by 3 and this is 2q minus 5 and this close plus 90 that is 90. We will solve with order of operations, PEMDAS methods, and according to that we have to solve first this parenthesis part which has like inside that 2 cube minus 5 which is an exponent part, and 2 cube is nothing but 2 times 2 times 2 and 2 times 2 which equals to 4 times 2 and here 8. So we can write 8 on the place of 2 cube, and when we write 8 we will write like 9p divided by 3 parenthesis 8 minus 5 plus 90. We will do parenthesis operation. This will give result 8 minus 5 will give result here 3. So we will write 9p divided by 3 times 3 plus 9090. Again, many are solving like 3 times 3 which will give result 9. 9 times 90, 90 divided by 10 will give result here 10 plus 90 which equals to 100, and they think this is the right answer, but this is not the right answer. So what's the right answer? We will solve from here. Out of these we have, as we can see, division and multiplication operations and addition of operations are there, and out of these two operations have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve left right. So first we will solve for this part, which is 90 divided by 3, and this will give result here 30. So we can simply write 30 times 3 plus 90, and 30 plus 3 will give result 90 plus 90, and 90 plus 90 will give result here 180, which is the right answer for the first question. And moving to the next question, we have 25 divided by 5 minus 5 minus 1 square plus 3. So here 1 square is nothing but 1 times 1 which equals to 1, and 5 parenthesis, this is juxtaposition, this is nothing but 5 times 5 which equals to 25, you can say, but we will not write this, we will write in simple form. So here our expression will become 25 divided by 5 times 5 minus 1 plus 3. So here we will solve again left to right. Don't try to solve 5 times 5 which equals 25, and 25 divided by 25 will give result 1, and 1 minus 1 will give result 0 plus 3 which equals to 3. So 3 will not be answer here. So here, try to solve in a order operation way. We will solve left to right. 25 divided by 5, this will give result here 5, and we will rewrite 5 times 5 minus 1 plus 3, and 5 times 5 will give result here 25 minus 1 plus 3, and 25 minus 1 will give result 24 plus 3, and 24 plus 3 will give result at 27, which is the right answer for the second question. And if you are math lover, then subscribe us and watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.